Hi guys, so this is Bohemicus CAT Tool progress report number 2. So for today I would like to show you that I'm able to open a Trados file which we have here. So let's open this first one by just drag and dropping it onto Bohemicus. And in contrast to the last report, I can now translate it, edit it, but I can also save it. So let's write here something like blah blah blah. Yes, and I forgot. I am having this open the very same file here in this Trados Studio. So just to show you that I can really edit it outside of Trados Studio. So we have now successfully edited. We have added some text here, and now I can just click save, and let's save it as this kettle plain text.doc. So it means this one. So save, overwrite. Yes. And now when I go to the Trados Studio and when I close this file and I open it again by double clicking the file here, so as you can see the text is nicely edited. It's been edited. So I am very happy about this because this means that I now have a working Trados editor, Trados files editor, and I can now start hanging all these bells and whistles of modern CAT tools onto it. I'm very happy for this because editing a Trados file is not really easy. As I can show you what it actually looks like when you open it in a notepad. So just to tell you what's what, so this is some introductory information such as language combination. Here we have the internal file data in the so-called base64 format. This actually it's base64 format, that's not important for now, but what's important for now is the structure of this Trados file. And as you can see, each Trados file consists of many tags, but the most important one is this trans-unit. So this one, and then also the closing one. And as you can see, each trans-unit consists of a source. And so we have here opening tag for source and closing tag for source. Then sec source. Sec source is actually the same as source, but it's also segmented into various segments. And then the last one is target. So target is the target translation. As you can see, here is the opening target tag and here is the closing target tag. And as you can see, there are lots of tags and it's a real mess. And also on top of this, it seems that Trados programmers are not really consistent about this. So for instance, this MRK tags, they actually denote the individual segments. So each translation unit can be further segmented into individual segments, and these segments are denoted by these MRK tags. So as you can see, there can be one or more MRK tags in one translation unit, but the problem is it's not very consistent. So sometimes there is one MRK tag, sometimes there are multiple these tags, and also sometimes you have these opening tags MRK, but the missing closing tag, the closing tag is missing, so it creates a lot of mess. And it took me lots of time and lots of brain power to actually write a parser for these Trados files. So this is why I am now very happy for having successfully written such a parser. I can now edit Trados files, no problem. I think it works very well, and I'm now very much looking forward to further developing this software, to adding this translation memory functionality, the term-based functionality, and all these bells and whistles you normally expect from a modern CAT tool. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next progress report.